when we hit menopause as you know, ladies, it loses even more rapidly. Estrogen loss, you know, and a lot of other factors. But that's what this technology can do. It can rebuild and, you know, firm the face again without plastic surgery. So that's why I left what I was doing, because I didn't actually believe in plastic surgery anymore. I started to see, you know, younger and younger people going in there, men and women. And what people don't understand is when you're having let's give a facelift, for example. You're having a facelift at 55. I'll be 55 this month, and I'm like, just can't even imagine. But you're going in and you're getting a surgery. We don't want to go under the knife. There's a lot of thought nowadays, a school of thought, that we can go as long as possible without doing that. Why wouldn't we? Not only that, but the average cost, I will tell you, my plastic surgeon charged $50,000 for a lower facelift. Okay, so you're getting this treatment is nowhere near that. Okay, so just don't be alarmed. It's nowhere near that.